Hello, my name is Foie, and today I'll be presenting about COVID-19 and ecology. So we are currently living in a pandemic situation. So I'll be talking about how this COVID-19 affects our environment, and also how us humans interact with the virus. So the main idea, the main ideas of this presentation are indirect effects of COVID-19 on the environment, and how do human wildlife interactions increase the likelihood of zoonosis. The definition of zoonosis is a disease which can be transmitted to humans from animals, according to Google. So let's start with the first idea, which is indirect effects of COVID-19. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, many people around the globe has to stay home, protect themselves with masks. A lot of people had to work at home. They don't go outside that often now, and there are like less vehicles on the road. The positive effects of this is plus 2 degrees Celsius average in Europe, mostly in Russia and another country which I can't remember. Ice concentration in the Arctic are increased. Not much, but it's getting there is a good thing too. And air pollution decreases. COVID-19 can be transferred by air pollution, so if the air pollution decreases, then there's less chance of COVID-19 spreading. So that's also a good thing. And the negative effects of this is more trash. So we, as humans, during this pandemic, we have to use a lot of mask. So after we use them, we have to throw them away, which creates more trash in the ocean and around the world, as you can see by this bottom right picture. Okay, let's move on to the next idea, which is human wildlife interactions increase zoonosis. So SARS-CoV-2 is a zoonotic disease that jumped from animal to human, and human also play a role with this. The main cause of this is from deforestation and wildlife trade. Deforations, like as humans invade wild animals' territory, they are exposed to pathogens that never live there. Like invade wild animals' territories, such as cutting trees, go there to get food, like hunt animals or get like resources. They can get exposed by the pathogens that are living there and bring back those diseases to the real world. Habitat changes also force animals to move to somewhere else, because as we go destroy their homes, they have to move. They sometimes move like to our cities, like mice and rats, and they contain pathogens. And when animals at the top of the food chain disappear, the animals at the bottom of the food chain increase. Like mostly the mice and the rats that increase, and they're the one who contain the pathogens. And wildlife trades, such like the Wuhan wild animal market. When you cram sick animals together, it can create new pathogens, which is very very bad thing, because you get like after this COVID-19, who knows what new diseases might appear next, and who knows, it might be harder to cure than this one. Okay, that's all of it. Here's my source, and, and here's my picture source by each slide. Thank you for listening, and stay safe, guys.